Today, we're reviewing the Himo L2 Max, a 10-inch, fat-tire electric scooter with a strong build and a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. With a single 350-watt motor in the front wheel, a 36-volt 10.4 ampere-per-hour battery, this scooter is great for daily commutes. You can expect to get up to 30 kilometers in real-life conditions, which means riding at an average speed of 20 kilometers per hour without wind. I weigh about 80 kilograms, and climbing up hills is an easy task for L2 Max. Turn on the scooter by pressing the power button for about 2 seconds. Quickly double-tap the on button to change the speed mode. The L2 Max needs a little push. The left lever activates the mechanical and electronic brakes at the same time, and the right lever activates only the electronic brake. The brakes are a bit sensitive. It quickly stops the scooter, but there isn't much control. It would be nice to have a mechanical brake on the left lever and the e-brake on the right, unattached. The 20-centimeter wide wooden deck is comfortable, and the thick rubber cover makes it safe. The charging port is in the front right part of the battery compartment and can take up to 5 hours to charge from empty. The LCD control shows the light indicator, battery level, 3 speed modes, and the actual speed. Unfortunately, there are no odometer or external connections. This scooter is 1.5 meters long, 1.2 meters high. The distance from the deck to the handlebar is about 97 centimeters, and the width of the handlebar is 500 millimeters. The Himo L2 Max has no front or rear suspension, but is stable and comfortable. The maximum weight of a rider is 100 kilograms. When you're done riding, the L2 Max folds up nicely. The folding stem mechanism is very efficient with a double locking system, and there is a hook that latches on the rear of the deck, so you can lift and carry it easily. For weight, it comes in at 18.8 kilograms, so it isn't a light scooter. The actual price of the Himo L2 Max electric scooter is €479 with free shipping in the EU. I'll put a link in the description of this video one we're reviewing, along with any deals and coupons available. This is my first e-scooter, so I'm very happy with the quality and handling. It's fast enough to run around and enjoy, but not too fast for a beginner like me. Designed to withstand the rigors of daily commuting, it's easy to fold and store. With the high gas prices, this is the best way to go. Alright, that's it for now. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.